Hi, fifth graders. Today is the Investigation 1 review. I'm going to go over what we've talked about so far and the review packet that you have. There is a quiz for after Investigation 1. I will post that for tomorrow, Friday. You can have that be optional or save it for Monday if you prefer to not do new work on Fridays. I know I didn't have it in my peek at the week, and I just started thinking about it and was thinking it would be better to get it done before moving on to Investigation 2. So in Investigation 1, what did we learn about? We learned in lesson 1.1, we started with the rubber band figures. Those were kind of fun to make. You would have found that as you used the rubber band stretcher, you would have seen that the figure was enlarged, about twice as large. So the main question from 1.1 was, what does it mean for two figures to be similar? So it means that the image, the drawing that you're making, or the enlargement or the reduction is called the image, is going to be similar because they look alike. One is bigger than the other or smaller than the other. You would see the angles would stay the same, but the side lengths would get bigger or smaller. And in problem 1.2, you were talking about scale factor, copier factor, 150%, 200%, 50%, and that was a more precise way of determining how much larger or how much smaller the figure would get. So if it's a 75% copier size, that would be about 3/4, right? And we also should have seen in that the perimeters, the side lengths, all would have changed the same factor as the copier. So if it was 150%, they would have been 1.5 times larger. The area should have gotten more than 1.5 bigger because you are increasing both dimensions. We will learn more about that in Investigation 2. One other thing to note was that you should have noticed that the angle sizes stayed the same. So today you're going to be doing the Investigation 1 review. It looks like this. Sorry, it's a little crooked. I scanned it in. You will be able to do this by printing it, or you can just write the answers in your notebook. So you're going to complete, number 1 is about this rectangle, this 3x4 rectangle over here. And number 2, we are talking about an enlargement. This was the original figure. This is the image. Name all the pairs of corresponding sides and pairs of angles for the two figures. Draw a square, then draw a square with a side length that is twice the side length of the original. How many copies will fit inside? Will you get the same answer for part A no matter what side length you choose? So if you start with a 1x1 and you double it, you get a 2x2. What if you started with a 3x3 and you doubled it to a 6x6? Would you get the same answer in the end? Here, Carl made shape B by making a photocopy of shape A. What percent did he enter? So you might start by measuring the side lengths, the long sides and the short sides. Amy made a copy of shape A by entering 250% into the copier. Sketch the copies she got. If you don't have a ruler, you can just estimate, but know that you would label it with what it should be in length. And that is your review for today. So I will, like I said, I will post the Investigation 1 quiz. I will post that right here inside of the Investigation 1 folder. I will make it a digital copy and a PDF where you can choose either way to complete the quiz. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you all soon. Thank you.